Eric Lake, good morning. How's it going? Oh, nice, Eric Lake. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hopefully, I get credit for it. They such a pain in the butt where they don't give me a code, a special code. You know. Yeah, right. Yeah, well, your first time user, it should be fine. You should get the 40%. The way I understand it. All right, so what we got going on? Um, let me tweet out that I'm live. Are you trading some Forex this morning, Eric? Nice. Up 157. Very nice. What do you trade on Forex? I don't know much about it at all. I never traded it. BTC, Germany, US monies. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. GBP, USD. Huh. Interesting. All right, so market is coming down here. Basically, from London Open, it's just moved one direction, and that's to the downside. We had some news at 8:30 this morning. Non-farm, ADP non-farm 8:15, and we got nothing after that except President Trump speaking at 4 p.m. And then I heard that there's like a bunch of tariff talks going on, so I'm not really sure. I'm kind of out of the loop a little bit. Just got back from Las Vegas. I did do some trading out there, but it was very limited. I wasn't really paying attention to the markets, so yeah. Hey Amelia, good morning. How's it going? Well, it felt good to sleep in my own bed. Supposed to hopefully be in the afternoon for the tariff announcements. Okay. Thank you for that. I'm trying to figure out what accounts I have. I don't think I have many funded accounts after I left. Yeah. Kevin, good morning. How's it going? It says 4 Eastern right now, but who knows? Exactly, yeah. Not financial advice, but yeah, I'd have some stops in place for sure. So we left last night. We were down on these funded accounts here. I did get rebilled from the 90% off. That's what's nice about Beelanox, guys. The last sale, the Beelanox sale, we ended up getting them for 90% off. So they were like $15 for the accounts, for the evaluations, and then I end up I don't cancel them. If I blow them, I don't cancel them. I just let them rebill at $15. So they still have that sale, you know. Right now, Beelanox is 75% off on option 1s and option 2s. That's the end of the day too. So going on. Newts, what's going on? What's up, buddy? So yeah, if you guys missed my last night's stream, I had a record day yesterday. Personal record. A 5-figure day on my personal account while I was 30,000 feet in the air on an airplane, which is pretty amazing. I'll show you guys. Actually, I tweeted it too, if you guys. Thanks, Eric. Yeah, no, it was crazy. Show you the tweet. You can actually see the picture. So here's the tweet I put out. And that's my hotel room in Vegas. And that's me on the plane. $10,185. I think upgrading the $8 Wi-Fi fee for the airplane was worth it. What do you think? It's not a brag. I'm just super stoked how well I've been trading on the personal account. Even after I took this picture, I made $2,300 or something like that on this account. And what was crazy about this to me was this was the market open on Sunday night. So it was 3 p.m. in Vegas, and obviously it would have been 6 o'clock where I am, Eastern time. And it was 3 o'clock. So it was still daylight. And when I was done trading, I got done trading at 5. You know, and I could just go out to dinner or whatever I wanted to do at 5 p.m. So it's pretty crazy. Black Beauty Machine, I know. You're depressed, you just saw people from high school online, everybody's fat and old now. Yeah, it's amazing. I see some people online and it's from high school or whatever, and I'm like, do I look that old? God. They did not age well. They're not aging well. So the market opens in about 5 minutes or so. I will be trading these funded accounts on the Beelanox. In full transparency, I don't have many funded accounts. I'm waiting on a Take Profit Trader account that I got yesterday, and I fell asleep last night, and I never actually submitted the payout request, unfortunately. So I did request that this morning. It is for grand total. This is what I made yesterday. In the airport, pretty much. I traded a little bit more of it in the on the plane too, but oh, so here's what I requested this morning: $3,605. Oh, maybe they took it out already. Oh no, they're still checking it. But yeah, that's what I ended up taking out of the 25K account yesterday. So 3605. I did reset that account yesterday, so minus 400, and what, $450 would be my so whatever this is, so 3,200 or whatever, $3,150 or something like that was total net profit on that account. So yeah, had a killer day yesterday. But yeah, so anyways, I don't have many funded accounts. I got to do some rebuilding, and Apex, as far as I know right now, is full price, and I ain't paying full price. And I don't know about you, but I'm not paying full price. I ain't paying full price for any account. Oh, thanks, D. Appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, I know. It won't be me, Amelia. It won't be me. Oh yeah, that is right. Yeah, the 90% off on the RIP sale on Apex the other day. Oh, yeah, you can post it in Discord. Yeah, if someone, Amelia, if it's like specific to someone and it's like a flash sale for a streamer, I don't mind. Yeah, you can post it in Discord. That's cool. Appreciate you asking though. Because yeah, I mean, I want my peeps, my community to be able to get those special discounts for sure. Someday I'll be able to get my own, I'm sure, but yeah, I appreciate that. Tradeify is on Rips, giving away accounts. Oh, Black Beauty. Yeah, I can't even get a personal code with them, but it's all right. It's good. We're building. We're the freshman class. Newts knows we're the freshman class. We're coming up. All right, 20 people watching. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let them YouTube algorithms know that I'm back from holiday. If you don't mind. So let's see. What am I gonna trade? So I'm gonna trade these Belanox master accounts. We'll see what happens. Yeah. I did get some nice. You still in the 8th grade? Sometimes I feel like that, Newts. I can't get Take Profit Trader to even talk to me. That's all good. I'm just happy it goes to a friend of mine. Alright, market is open, guys. The casino is open. So, in case you guys are wondering how I did in Vegas, I ended up losing $600 in Vegas, which I didn't think was too bad. But I did not make any money. I think the most I got up on Vegas was I was playing blackjack, and I got up $50. And then it all went away. Because every game I sat at, I started at like $200 and try to play with that, and then I'd lose. Candle closes below 340. It's downtime. Yeah, I gotta look at the charts here. I haven't. Kind of out of it. I did get some good sleep last night though. Man, I crashed out so hard. After I got off stream last night, I took a hot shower, which I know is very intimate and personal, which someone said on the chat last night. It's kind of funny. And yeah, I crashed big time. I got a good like 9 hours of sleep, which I needed, and I feel it right now. It feels good. I'm gonna flush it on Newts. We're gonna flush. Yeah, let's look at some levels. I want to pull up my Trade of 8 chart on something, because y'all know I like looking at the Trade of 8 chart. It's just my eyes see things better. I've got my 10,000 hours in on the Trade of 8. But yeah, nice flush down there. Basically just been flushing since London. Actually been flushing since 8 p.m. at Eastern time. So not a surprise that we're getting just a little reaction bounce here, but overall the market is bearish. We do have like these tariff talks and things. Hey, good morning, John Walker. I don't know if I said good morning. Yeah, Amelia's got the hookup. She's got the hookup. Apparently, someone might be having a 90% off sale at some point. But she's going to post it in our Discord. So if you guys haven't joined our Discord, I'll put the link here. It's 100% free. It's just for the community, you know. I'm gonna pin that to the top. This is the Discord. If you guys want to join, it's 100% free. We're just trying to build a little community up, and it's just a place to post updates and some really good traders in there. All right. NASDAQ is pushing up, 380s now, looking for that 19,400. All right, pushing up to that 400 level. Could see a little rejection here. There's the rejection. Just a little psych level rejection there. People like to front run those. Scalp. So pull back off the 400s. TCG, what's going on? You think you would actually buy 360 now if it pulls back before going too much higher? Yeah. Right at the 420s. You know that's a magical number. It always likes to go to the 420s. Just kind of ripping higher right now, taking out the weak shorts. You know, these are all just... The market just kind of drifted lower. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. Confusing. Yeah, pushing 440s now, just a ripping higher. Headed back up to test the VWAP 474s. Yeah, just a rip in here. Still breathing, TCG. Oh yeah, nice. Same. It is gone, dudes. It's going without us. 5-minute open and range break. Nice push off that. Made a beautiful 9:45 break the other day. And it was an inside bar. Let me see if I can find it. It was Monday morning, I think. Oh, maybe it wasn't an inside bar. It was in Harami. Yeah, Monday morning I took this trade. What a nice trade. Market's testing that VWAP now. Right here, 9:45, Monday morning. I ended up going long here off this 9:45 break on the Harami, and ended up taking profit just above this candle's high. So it ended up being like a 60-point trade Monday morning when I was, not to brag, but I was sitting in a 5-star hotel with a panoramic view in Vegas. It's a humble brag. It was quite surreal. I'm used to Holiday Inn Expresses. That's what I'm used to. The Red Roof Inn. Disciplined Trader, what's going on? Hey, what's happening? Alright, she is ripping the 500s now. Wow, what a rip there off the 5-minute ORB. Hey, Neil, thanks for joining the Discord. Appreciate that. If you guys haven't joined the Discord is popped up, or pinned to the chat up there. It's 100% free. Hey, we just hit 900 subs. Appreciate you guys. 900 subs, on our way to 1,000. I think by the end of this month, we definitely should have 1,000. Should be good. If you guys can smash that like button. Full-time trader, one of our subscribers got me paranoid, says I gotta get back because the YouTube algorithm is gonna forget about me, so I'm back. Came on last night for a normal 2-hour stream. 3 p.m. Eastern, Trump will announce tariffs. So yeah, that's the power hour is gonna be, should have some action then. Appreciate that Disciplined Trader. Appreciate that. It's good to be back to you guys. It's good to be home. You know, it's good to sleep in my own bed for sure. I don't care if you're staying in the 5-star hotel. It's always good to be back in your own bed. I don't care what anyone says. For me, anyway. Alright, pushing that 500s, guys. This is really no setup for me. room to the upside. Looks like we got like some equal highs almost up here. 585s. Those equal highs right there. Ooh, they are. Kind of missed it there. I was just looking for a market in scalp long to take out those equal highs, which we just did. Got a few bucks, but kind of when I pushed the button, that was really quick. That was a very discretionary pop there. You know those equal highs right here? 23.75. Yeah, we just ran it. We just ran it. Yeah, John, no place like home for sure. Alright, now we're pulling back here to the 500s. Alright, let's wait for a better setup. I'm feeling we might have to wait a little bit for a nice, true setup. Could try for a VWAP bounce, but boy, that was quite the push up, you know. So I wouldn't be surprised if we don't get a little bit of a pullback. $480s now, pulling back, testing that VWAP. I'm really thinking about taking that bounce there, but it's a little scary. And see the VWAP bounce is pushing. Pretty bullish this morning. Pretty bullish. Hey, Dell, what's going on? What's happening? Being patient here, we're just watching. Just took a little scalp there. I was hoping to get 10 points out of it, but it was a little late on my entry. I marketed it in and it pushed like as soon as I was pushing the button. Market's so fast this time of day. But it is amazing like how fast our executions are with these programs, you know. How you doing today, Dell? Back at work? Let's see. Still pushing higher. Kind of just parabolic at the moment. Even if I put it in tens, it almost fills up the whole screen. Still pushing higher. Putting in the 945 candle. I'm gonna look at YM. Nasdaq just seems nutty at the moment. YM is pushing up as well. I'm gonna keep YM up on the other screen here. Yeah, not as bad, but it definitely, I feel like I might take the school run trade. I don't know, so I'm gonna be a little careful, I guess. You know, first day back on the morning stream, and gotta get back in the rhythm a little bit. Doing that's the wrong contract. GC. Gold pushed to 31,070. 3,170. I mean, 0.5. Let's pull back. Anna, what's going on? How's it going, Anna? Welcome. Thanks for joining us. So yeah, if you guys are just tuning in, we placed a little scalp here, and just for the looking for those equal highs, and that's all the trades I've made so far. I didn't get as much as I wanted to out of it. Got the 945 candle. Gonna be finishing up in 1 minute. I'm kind of curious. You guys don't know anything about the aggressive school run? It's the 945 5-minute candle. And yeah, we're doing okay, Anna. I just got back from vacation, so I got a good night's rest last night. So I'm doing okay. Thank you. Low of the day opening range, yeah. It's really hard to try to fade this. Like, did we take out anything? Like, to the upside? Like, did we take out and finish what we were doing? Or are we just gonna keep pushing, you know? We have an overnight high there at, what is it? 697. So 100 points away. Really love to hop in long. Maybe on the wick test here. Let's see. Just don't know if we're gonna get a pullback that far. Place a buy order here at 537. I'm gonna do 535. I don't think we're gonna get there though. Yeah, we're just gonna run. He's just gonna run for now. I don't like this now. I'm taking it off. I don't like when it already pushes the high, like pushes through the high there, that candle, and then put like the wick test. I don't necessarily love it. I like it when it kind of opens, pulls back to the wick test a little bit, and then you enter, and then it rips up through the highs. That's kind of what I was looking for. So I took it off there. Oh really, John? That's funny. It's Trading Star. What's happening? Hello, hello. That is funny though, John. I'm gonna have to rewatch that. Trading Star, any vacation photos? Not really. I'm not a big photo person. I guess I could post some in the Discord. Maybe I'll post some in the Discord. I had a few. Yeah, maybe I'll post some in the Discord. I got a few, I guess. Yeah, I got a few. I'm a celebrity, I should post some photos. But yeah, I do have some. I'll post some in the Discord later. This is a little wick test there. The 945. Try for a long here. Alright, I'm trying a long here. Looking for some continuation up. We'll see if we stair step. These are on the 3 funded Buellanox accounts. Looking a little weak. Let's not paper hand this. Let's just leave the stop where it is. This actually would actually make a pretty good entry right here. Just below the prior bar's low there. See if we rip this. Ribbit. Alright, feels like we might pull back. Flatten. Lost a little bit on that, about 170 or about 120 bucks. Just gonna wait. I don't like it. We could pull back here to 487s, 500s. I'm starving. How come I can't? I need to, where's my room service button? Oh, so a cool thing about the hotel that I was at was everything was automated on an iPad. Like everything. So the lights, the blinds, the TV, the temperature, room service, like whatever you wanted. You just go off this touch screen. Or you could tell Alexa too. Like you could tell Alexa what you wanted. Or if you wanted to change the temperature in the room, you just tell Alexa to set it on whatever. So it was really cool. That was cool. Dylan, what's happening? Oh, really, Amelia? That's funny. So apparently he didn't listen to, he hasn't heard Nutty's rants about ICT yet. It was good, Dylan. Good to be home, though. Vacation was good, thank you. It's always good to come back home. For the most part. Alright, so we got out of that trade there. We're down 120 bucks. Just looking for that wick test. We're going to be in the money right now. I kind of paper-handed it. I feel like it could roll over a bit. I don't know, I just have this feeling. We might pull back to the 500s. Scary. Feels like I want to go short here, but ridiculous, yeah. Is Nutty being nice? Everyone's just a big one happy family now, Amelia. Everyone's just one big happy family. PW, Nutty, Rips. Everyone's just all the money just makes everyone happy. Just put all that money in one big pool. I'll just jump right in. Amelia. Yeah, I know. All I know, if you called someone that I loved the names that PW did to Nutty's wife, yeah, it wouldn't be pretty. Alright, there's the pullback. 10 o'clock. Hopping short here. See if we front run that 500. Looks like we're gonna get our face melted. Man, I cannot get anything going with these Buellnox accounts. I just cannot. So here's my thinking on this trade. I hopped in really quickly. All right, 9:45 break. broke to the upside, right? We broke to 945. It failed. So basically, I was looking for a reversal off the 945. So like a flip the switch. Just some like a setup I sometimes take. It broke, pulled back, and then I got in on the pullback, looking to see if the highs would hold, and looking for a breakdown to 500. So that was my thinking on that trade. So we're down 785 on that one and 609 on that one. Oh, that's because we were down last night a little bit on the other two. Yeah, I cannot get anything going with these Buell knocks. The nice thing is I have 2 of them passed already, sitting in on deck. So it is what it is. So yeah, we're ripping up to 600s now. It was late, so who knows? I don't trade afternoons, so I'm good to go. Oh, wrong chat. Okay. All right, so we're getting beat up a little bit this morning. It's fine. These accounts cost me 160 bucks. That's kind of like the thing is like I don't want to try to like on a psychological barrier, like on a basis is like for new traders, is that when you're in a trade on a prop account, like you can't think about like how much you're losing in the trade because it's just monopoly money. You know, your cost on that trade is what you paid for the account. And that like is something that really like brought me from not getting payouts to being unprofitable to profitable and getting payouts. Because I used to get complete anxiety when I got a funded account and just being like, oh my god, I can't even push the button. I get so nervous. And then you're paper handing trades and not letting them play out. And we were getting 2 contracts on that one too. No wonder we took a hit. Well, I meant to be in 1 contract, but whatever. So we're just gonna keep trend day pushing higher? Possibly. Take this gap out at 640s. Get the overnight high back at what did I say? 697. I have drinks one night and can't get my shit together the next morning. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, my back's sore. The market turnaround. Yeah, I know. Quite the bounce from overnight. Headed right back to settlement. That's where we're at right now. Haven't traded any real setups, and I'm paying for it right now. Nothing like my true setups. I'm just gonna look for longs. thinking about hitting the button there on the 9 touch. I'm watching the 9 here, over here on Trade of 8. I was thinking about pushing the button along there, but I did not pull the trigger. Man, that's what the cost after savings is for Buellanox. 148 one-time fee. There's no monthly fees. 148 for activation on the funded accounts, and then nothing after that. Yep. Yeah, if you guys are interested in that, any Buellanox accounts, they're 75% off. Option 1s and 2s. Use code PINE. Until Apex runs a sale, and Buellanox probably will not change their sale. But once Apex runs a sale, then Buellanox will usually one-up them every time as far as evaluation costs. So you have option. So 75% off option 1s and 2s. Use code PINE. Thank you. Thank you, come again. Alright, getting a pullback here. Do we try the wick test? Do we try it? Again. 1 contract this time. Add to the winner. And alright, we're in. Not, we'll hit daily loss limit. We're in. We're long, guys. Don't stop me out on my long. I mean, the market's just going up. I mean, come on. A little risky to be trading the minis for sure. Ouch. Alright. DLL on those. On 1. Alright. Switching to the eval. I cannot get anything going with Buellanox. Cannot. Stop that again. Oh, in 3 contracts. Alright, I'm on the eval now. I'm long again. Adding a second. God damn it. Ah, sorry. Yeah, this is a... Alright. That's not good. Switch to this eval. Just gonna wait now. Alright, hopping in. The VWAP. Feels like catching a knife here. You're taking off 2. Taking off 1. The rest run there. It's intraday, so you gotta be a little careful on this eval. Yeah, nice little VWAP play. Alright, take it off there fully. So yeah, we got beat up on that. But yeah, so hit daily loss limit on the funded. Sucks. I wonder if I have any my funded future accounts. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, full transparency here. I got some stuff going on in my personal life too, so I'm a little distracted. Let's see. See if I can name my funded future accounts. What is this trade copier thing from my funded futures? Like, what's the difference? I mean, I use. Oh, maybe if you're using something that's other than. Yeah. Than like Trade Evade or something that doesn't have trade copier. Oh, thanks, Ben. Appreciate you. Oh, you have to pay for it? That's weird. Nice little harami here off the inside bar. See if we can get this eval passed here on the next trade. That'll give me some backups for just messing up these Peel and loss accounts already again. Daily loss limit on that one. These ones are not daily loss limit, but pretty close. Can't do AI stuff half the time. You can't tell if it's real or fake. Now I just assume it's fake. I know. It's true. Some of the stuff just looks so real. Let's take a stab long here off the harami. How much we actually need to pass this account. I think about 10-15 points maybe to pass this account. Oh, maybe a little more actually. Oh, need a few more dollars to pass. Took it on the personal too, up $3,410 on the personal. See here, $3,410 today on the personal. Alright, I need a few bucks. Switch to micros here. I'm gonna need like 50 bucks. Scaling long into $50 here to pass, and come on. Come on. There, got that one passed. So that's how I pass evals really quickly. In case anyone knows. If anyone was wondering. So that'll give me 3 Bealonox accounts on deck. You're only allowed to have 3 master accounts anyway. We just screwed up these accounts pretty bad. So yeah, we have 3 on deck. I don't know. The best all-in cost right now is probably, I don't know what it costs all in on Tradeify. I need to get some more accounts. I do like Tradeify though. Well, which one are you looking at, Eric Lake? Are you looking at the advanced accounts or the growth accounts? Oh, I guess it wouldn't matter. 40% off. Yeah, Tradeify is gonna be way less. Yeah, if you're a first time signing up for Tradeify, it's gonna be way less. Tell you, like a straight to funded 40% off. Straight to funded, not bad. 25K accounts, that's not bad. I personally like the growth accounts, and here's why. So you guys just tuning in, we took a nice little trade off this Harami. We could take out the highs here. Equal highs up there, very interesting. If I didn't just pass this eval, I would probably still try to be in long. Looking to take out the highs. Here's why I like the Tradeify growth accounts. For me, I can pass them. Well, you can pass either one in one day, but there's no activation fees for growth accounts. So it's all in cost up front. The advanced accounts, if you're a newer trader, and you struggle passing evaluations, and I would probably recommend this stuff. But growth accounts, no activation, and you get an extra 500 bucks on the am I right? Yeah, on a 100K account you get an extra 500. The other thing is too, like if you're a good trader and you trade bigger accounts, the sim to funded accounts with a trailing max of $6,000, I know it's trailing, but it is end of day, but you get $6,000 in drawdown with a 150K account compared to the top step is what, 4,500. So you actually get a lot more drawdown, because basically, like when you're looking at accounts, this is what you're paying for. It's right here, the drawdown. That's the size of the account. So pretty interesting there. So if you guys are interested in using Tradeify, you have to use my link in the description. You can see it right there posted in the chat. Tradeify, you have to use my link. Oh, I gotta change that. Don't use MAR, use code SPRING. Shit, I gotta trade that. Change that. Do that right now before I forget. Oops. Keegan, what's happening? So yeah, until Tradeify gives me a code, you have to yeah, use my link and then use their default code. So hopefully alright, I just changed it in the chat. And right now their default code is SPRING. Tradeify, so use my link, use their code. So there's the code right there, SPRING on the top. So, but you have to click my link first if you would like to give my channel credit. And once I get $1,000 in sales or whatever, then I can request a custom code, which will be amazing. And then you won't have to click my links. And if you're using Tradeify, you just put in hopefully code PINE or something like that, and then it'll be done. Until that, it's gonna be a grind. All right, pushing up here. Kind of doing what we said there, looking at taking out these equal highs off this Harami. Very nice setup. We ended up passing this account off it. We got a little bit jumbled up there. Yeah. Kind of got impatient, which is kind of to be expected. You know, first day back on stream after vacation, you know, get a little impatient. I was kind of saying that before I even started. And it turns out, yeah. We got on this other eval here. It's pretty close to being blown. But we'll see what we can do. Oh, I'm on micros. Probably smart. Be on micros. Look for that little wick test here, scaling in here. Alright, we're in a full contract. Add 10. I think we could take out these equal highs. Still not how much we're gonna pull back. This was a rebill. Yeah, done. That was a rebill. It was a $15 eval, so I just blew that. Well, I think I want to get a Tradeify. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna get a Tradeify. I'm gonna see. I gotta use someone's link. I gotta like using someone's small. So can I show you how it works? So this is how Tradeify works. Let's just do it together. So I'm gonna use Terry Trades' code. So I clicked on her link here. So this is the same thing what you gotta do with mine. I don't want, and then I wanna make sure it doesn't show anything actually. And go to pricing. Click on the account. So I'm gonna go for a 50K growth account. Oh, it's showing all my information there. And then spring. And a discount. Right, now you guys know where to mail me all my gifts that you guys are gonna send. So it's $97, which is the same as My Funded Futures, basically starter account. Use code SPRING there and hit payment. And theoretically, she should have got my commission. Yeah, I like Tradeify, Kevin. You know, I got 3 payouts with them last month, and very quick. Amelia can attest to this too. Like, super quick. Yeah, you would get 40% off, Kevin, right now, if you're a first-time user. So. But yeah, if you're interested and you want to help support my channel and use my code, I don't have a code, but you just use my link and use the default code, which is SPRING. Until they will give me code PINE, then I have to do it that way. So let me sign in my Tradeify account. But yeah, the straight to funded 25Ks, not that bad. 40% off. Or if you can afford a bigger account, it's always nice. But I got a payout with a 25K the other day, and my Take Profit Trader accounts, the ones I've been getting the big payouts on, are all 25Ks. You don't need the big drawdowns, depending on your style of trading. But yeah. See. Right. Yeah, I hear ya. These ones I tend to like. I'll tend to trade a little more conservative, for sure, because they're more money. When I have a $15 eval, I mean, you guys just saw, I send them some puppies. It's like I don't have the time to waste to like slow grind a eval for a month. And this is just personal too, you know. This is just personal, but all right. So, guys, just tuning in. Bulanox passed one account there in about what, less than 5 minutes there. And took daily loss limit on these two. Blew this one. I wasn't hedging. Would have been easier to hedge. And then hit daily loss limit on the funded accounts pretty much. We are currently waiting on a $3,400 payout from Take Profit Trader. And we are up. What are we up on the personal? $3,400 on the personal. So that's where we're at, and I just purchased a Tradeify account. So I'm gonna work on Tradeify. For a little bit here. I do have a bunch of stuff I gotta do this afternoon, so I'm not gonna make a long stream because I still haven't unpacked. I gotta do laundry. I gotta stuff and things. Take care of. Coach Fred in the house. What's going on? Yeah, Tradeify pays within minutes. One of the fastest in the game. My Funded Futures and Tradeify, definitely the fastest payouts. Yep, exactly, Amelia. All right, nice setup there. We took it. If we didn't pass that eval. Probably should have just held, but that's exactly what we're looking for. Nice Harami. Added the VWAP bounce, which was nice. And took the long there, passed that eval, but like I was saying, probably would take out these pretty equal highs. Not quite equal highs. Equal highs on the MNQ, which is interesting. And it's exactly what we did. So that's one of our setups that I like to trade every single day, if I'm patient enough. Right there. Start getting a little choppy action. I've also reversed the position, so like this candle comes down, takes out makes it a Harami type. You can also reverse the position. I like to see it done, you know, usually this candle or the next candle where it takes it out. And then, you know, kind of puts in a big mother candle. This one is a little, not really sure, but yeah, they've been doing that since the beginning, Eric Lake, yeah. But yeah, I try to like say to people, like, what you're paying for is the leverage, not the leverage, the drawdown. Like that's 100% what you're paying for. I love Top Step, Eric. No, there's nothing wrong with Top Step. The reason why you don't hear much about Top Step, Eric, from YouTube people is because they won't affiliate with anybody except a very select few. They have to hand pick you. So that's why. So it's like one of those things, like we're promoting their stuff, these companies' products like Tradeify and Apex and Bulonos. Like I promote them, Take Profit Trader. And yeah, I'm not doing it for free. But Top Step wants you to do it for free. But I'm always honest with you guys, and I'll tell you, like, I'm trading Top Step. I'm trading this and that. It's like whether I'm affiliated with them or not. My Funded Futures won't affiliate with me. I still promote them. I still show you guys my payouts with them. I make videos about them. Because I want you guys to know, like, what I think are the best companies. So another Harami here, like what we were saying, could push down 550s, I'm thinking. I'm actually gonna hop in short here on this eval. Hopping in too short. This account does have a daily loss limit too. And I basically, that's one thing about me with evals and stuff, is I use the daily loss limits as my like stopping point. So all right, getting that push down now. Love for it to take me out of one contract. Five, 5, 6. on, just do it already. Kind of stuck here at the 580s. Alright, there's the push we wanted to see. See if we can break through the 560s there. Take one off. Rest is a break even. So we can break through the 560s. I think we could retest the 550s, possibly. Alright, stopped out break even, so 258. Didn't quite make it down there, but not a bad little scalp there. Nice bounce there off 560s. Wow. 30-point bounce. Hey, Methodical's in the house. What's going on? What's happening? Let's see. Top Step TV is okay. I'm still brand new with them. Yeah, they're okay. Yeah, it's okay. Doing some damage repair, scalping the funded elite here this morning. Nice. I'm betting going with Tradeify and keep Top Step. Use 2 for futures. What I'm wanting to go. Companies that will give me live accounts upon passing. Yeah, so Eric Lake, Tradeify definitely has a path to live. Top Step has a path to live. Take Profit Trader has a path to live. Like Apex, we were kind of unsure about. Beulanox, we were unsure about. So yeah. But yeah, those companies. All the companies I recommend, guys, I use personally. So, yeah. I think Tradeify, Eric Lake, Tradeify or Top Step. My Funded Futures also has a path to live. Use code MM. Was up at least 25 points a bunch of times this morning. Never took profit because it was like 50 bucks. I'm done with micros. Got to be 5 at least, Nate. Yes. I know exactly what you're saying. I have that problem myself. I'll take a long here. I trade micros. I overtrade. Trade minis. I don't overtrade as bad. So we're in long here. Feels like it's getting really choppy, don't it? Feels very choppy. Adding a second contract, DCA action. Taking out, putting another Harami here, but it just feels like we might just chop this nastiness around 600. Oof. So many streamers out there. Donuts. You're sitting here bored as USD ZAR hugging the resistance line. It may break to the upside. Oh well. I'm upgrade today, so 15 bucks hit won't hurt too much. No. Right. So many streamers. Glad you guys, 30 of you guys are hanging out with me. Smash the like button. Let the YouTube know that this is one of the best channels to be hanging out. All right, I'm getting chopped, big time. Look at these wicks on these candles. Nasty. I'm getting out. Just gross. Look at that. Last 20 minutes. Look at these wicks. Gross. But yeah, Nate, I think about that same thing, like where, you know, you're in a few, you know, you make 20, 30 points with a few micros, and it's like not that much money. And you're like, if I just did it with a mini, you know, it's 600 bucks, 30 points, you know. But it's hard, you know. It's hard. Yeah, this is chop. This is bad. This is something that definitely just took my money there. Down 400 bucks on this eval. Trending markets for the micros, yeah. I mean, we are trending higher, for sure, today. Overnight was just garbage, but yeah, you're right, Amelia. Like, I still think we go to test that overnight high, 697. Right now, we're hanging right out the initial balance, 620. Sometimes we have selective memory when we say if we only that was mini while forgetting the pain and micro going 50 points against you. Yeah. Yeah, sure would chip, yeah. You're not wrong. That's why, like, it's that toss-up, you know. You get used to trading minis, like I have been on my personal. Then you get used to trading $100 a point on your personal. It's like, you know, it's hard to go back. Yeah, wood chip for sure. Do you use wood TopStep X? If yes, do you like it? I'm using TradingView just because it's sharing. So I do use TopStep X. I mean, this is TopStep X. Essentially, Eric Lake. This is for Bulanox. This is Project X. But it's the same thing. It's just TopStep X puts their name on it, you know. But yeah, this is Project X, so it's the same company that makes all the these types of platforms. So yeah, I do use them. I prefer Tradeovate over everything, so. But yeah, I was using TopStep X for the longest time. Something tells me we break through this 620s and test those at 697. I think this is just chopping to take everyone's money at the moment. I am long. Kind of hoping we just stair step. Kind of my thinking. Very wiki. Very wiki. That 19,600 is it's kind of been resisting off it a bit. Push it. I like that candle. That was bullish. I am long in NASDAQ right now, 594 average. I'm 590 average on the personal account, and we are pushing higher. Alright, I'm taking some off on the personal. I'm taking that off right there. I'm taking it off on the personal. Alright. Feels like we just kind of stair step this up. So, there it goes. Shoot. Look at that rejection off the initial bounce high by the tick. Look at that. In case you guys don't think it's real, like, look at that. Asia, IFVG, above holding us down. So we're up 4,895 on the personal. I was in 5 contracts deep there. Oof, getting a little pullback back down to 600s. 20-point pullback right there. How are the hookers in Vegas? That was funny, Methodical Man. So yesterday when I left, I don't know what happened. I completely, I had to leave Vegas at 5 a.m. I had to leave Vegas at 5 a.m. in the morning, or my flight was at 5:30 actually. So I said, well, I'm gonna get up around 3 o'clock, 3:30 to, pack up the rest of my stuff and bail out. I pretty much had everything ready, not knowing first time there, not knowing how long security is or whatever. Well, apparently weekdays in the mornings that early, you don't really have to worry about security. I pretty much just walked right through. So at the airport, TSA. Anyways, I woke up in a haze at 2 a.m. not knowing it was 2 a.m. I ended up, I went down, got a cab, was riding to the airport. I look, it's 2:15 in the morning. I thought it was 3:30, 4 in the morning or something. Oh man, I ended up at the airport at 2:30. Anyways, on the ride, I was telling the cab driver, I'm like, I said, I'm not even supposed to be, I don't even know why I'm heading to the airport so early. And he's like, well, we can stop at a strip club. He goes, I won't charge you any extra. Dude was funny. And then he proceeded to tell me all the strip clubs in Vegas. Apparently he goes to a lot of strip clubs. So I ended up in the airport. TSA wasn't even open. I ended up just crashing on the bench there and just took a little nap. Put my headphones on and just kind of dozed off for a bit. But yeah, so I learned. So the next time we go, Methodical, when you and I go and hang out with 0 Day J and Cove Trader, I'll know better. How expensive was the VIP room? I don't know. But all I know is you go on a weekday in Vegas and you can get those nice hotels for cheap. Like much cheaper. If you go during the weekends, it's pretty expensive. But weekdays in Vegas, if you can, very cheap. Yeah, I agree. And when I was there, like over Friday and Saturday, all the spring breakers were there. And so it was a lot of spring break people, and yeah, they were a little. But yeah, I walked away losing 600. That's it. In Vegas, to the casinos. They got me for $600. But not too bad. Yeah, for sure, Methodical. Yeah, that'll be fun. Absolutely. So that's the thing, like when I was there, like I didn't really want to play, I don't know, I just like cards and stuff. Like I like playing, like gambling with the casino. It's always fun to have someone that's into it too to gamble with, and I was there myself, so all you do is the spa, eat, and shop. Yeah. The eating part, I'm all with you. I'm with you there, Amelia. I thought about taking a spa. Oh, I have another story too. This is story time, guys. So when I was there, I went and got a haircut. Right? And so I tried to look up a barbershop, and of course I was on the Strip, and I hope this doesn't offend anyone or anything, but I couldn't find a barbershop, so I just went on Google and found a barbershop, and it had pretty good reviews, so I got an Uber and I went to the barbershop. Well, it brought me to the ghettos. I'll just put it that way. And I went into this barbershop and they looked at me and they said, can I help you? They were so confused when I walked in that barbershop. And I said, yeah, I want a haircut. I said, I want a haircut. And they're like, all right, sit down. And they gave me a haircut. They're super nice. Welcome to my hood, Black Beauty. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it was. They looked at me like I had 3 heads. Like, I was wearing beach short, like swim trunks. Oh, it's funny. Yeah, you can slide them, Eric Lake, and you can set them manually on Top Step X, I'm assuming. So this is how you set brackets. There we go. Now we're getting that pushed up to the 620s. Kind of faked everyone out there. Look at that. Stair step, stair step, stair step. Took out some stops below prior bars low there. And then we had the smart buyers sitting right here, and they bought that sucker right up. So, yeah, I thought they did a pretty good job. I told them to leave a little bit on top because that's exactly, Zabag, but yeah, that's exactly what it was called. It was called something fades. Something fades. But it was all good. Went in there. I think they took me for a ride though. They charged me quite a bit. I don't even want to tell you what they charged me. But guess what? I paid it. I was not gonna not pay it. So it was a pretty expensive haircut between taking the Uber, paying for it, and then taking an Uber back. Cost me at least 5 NQ points. Yeah, it's like a fade type deal. But I told him to leave the mop on top. So I'm getting really thin on top, so I told him to leave the mop. See? Yeah, I Uber everywhere too. Thought, man, so much walking. Oh man, so much walking. That's the nice thing, Amelia, is that you do all that eating, but there's so much walking that you don't gain any pounds. All right, so we're pushing up here. I think we push up to the 697s. I think we, wow. Some sort of headline. Check the Trader Hub here. Where is it? Mexico president will not impose tit-for-tat tariffs. It's the headline, but that was 5 minutes ago. Boy, what a rejection there. But yeah, there's so much walking. Did I miss something, John? Oh, I stay off the Strip, Red Rock Resort. I enjoy Summerlin. Vegas has a great Chinatown, so many great places to eat. Yeah, so I ended up staying at the Resort World. Methodical will know where it is. It's right across the street from the Wynn. Actually recommend it, Methodical. Like if you, I mean, it's not as nice as the Wynn and what's the other one? Drawing a blank. It's where I stayed. Encore. So the Wynn and Encore, it's called Resort World. For the price, pretty good. And it's right across the street from the Wynn. So if you wanted to play at the casino at the Wynn, stay at the Resort World for cheaper. Not too bad. Nice pool too. Really nice pool. Super friendly. But yeah, I stayed at Resort World for a few days, and then I stayed at the Encore in the panoramic room. Panoramic suite room, so really nice. And a lot less smoky than the casino at the Resort World. A lot less smoky than the Wynn. Wynn was very smoky, so if you guys are not into like cigarette smoke and cigar smoke, the Wynn is very smoky. But it was good. Had fun. Venetian, you like the Venetian? Nice. Oh, so you guys... Oh, so Amelia, so what is there, 90% off? You can say it. If you want. I might have missed it on Discord. We'll let our peeps know. Okay, so... Thank you, Amelia. So, right now, Apex funded. If you guys, 90% off all Apex accounts. Use code KAGE. KAGE. Thank you, Amelia. I'll let the peeps know. KAG, 90% off. It couldn't be MM and it can't be Pine because we are just not cool enough. Apparently this is what Apex is going to do now, which is stupid. But I will pick up some accounts. Because I like a good bargain anyway, so. He was a mod at Apex and has his own Discord. Oh, okay, interesting. I was wondering if it was a YouTuber or not. Oh, Cage. I think I recognize that name. He's now streaming now. Oh, really? So he was able to get... I'm gonna reach out to Discord. I'm gonna reach out to Apex. Sorry for my language. I'm gonna ask him for 90% off. Methodical probably doing the same thing. He probably won't give it to us, but he might give it to Methodical. Yeah, that's what I figured. Yeah, we're not part of the cool crew. We're in our own cool gang. So I'm picking up some Apex accounts, guys, for later. Use code KAGE. It's not my code, it's someone else's, but hey, I want my peeps to get 90% off too. But then when you guys are done blowing those accounts, then you can go back to using code PINE. If you want. And it's only good for 20 minutes. So, I'm gonna pick up some 50Ks. Also gonna pick up some 250Ks to try out again. And hopefully it's recurring. I'll look in a second. Sometimes it's recurring too. 90% off. So you can pick up a 50K for 15 bucks and change, and a 250K for $16.70 and change. They rebill at 30% off. Thank you, Methodical. They rebill at 30% off. I believe the one for Rips was recurring. He's special. It's that hair gel. It's that hair gel. They give a better discount. They don't give big discounts to us balding people, like Methodical Man and I. Cage. This guy Cage. I'm not familiar. I've heard his name. Alright, I don't know how many I just bought, but probably too many. Well, we made some good money on the personal today, so why not invest in some accounts that we're going to need anyway. And I currently have no Apex funded accounts because I blew them last week before vacation, so Loading up. But yes, thank you, Amelia. Appreciate it. Apparently this guy was an Apex mod and now he wants to join the streaming community. Alright, I think that's enough. My credit card's going crazy now. How many did I buy? 7. I think I bought 7. Thinking 1, 2. I only bought 7. It felt like I was typing a lot. Yeah, I like even numbers. I'm gonna get Cage rich today. Alright, I got 8 now. See what we can do there. It's Amelia's fault. She likes when I spend money. So yeah, use code CAGE. It's not my thing, but it's 90% off. Flash sale, Apex. Just getting an eval for like 15 bucks. It's a good deal. Picked up a few myself. Yeah, guys, we crossed 900 subscribers. Look at that. 900. Pretty awesome. Appreciate the support. Organically, too. We didn't even buy subs. You know when people buy subs, this is how you tell. So when you see 90% off crack dealer showed up at the door, yeah. When you see people buying subs, this is how you can tell. You go on their streams when they have like 15,000 subscribers and there's like 10 people watching, 15 people watching. That's when you know they bought subs. I'm not gonna name names, but you can see it. All right, what a pullback there. Peaked above the initial balance high and is completely rejecting. I feel like the volatility is really picking up. I don't know if there's headlines coming out, tariff talks, or people just anticipating things. So yeah. Oh, Trade Cage. Yeah, I've seen him. Oh, I've seen this guy, yeah. He was doing the interviews and things. He said something that I didn't like once. I don't remember what it was. I got nothing against him. I remember, I don't know, there's something he said. Trade cage, huh? What if he, Wow, what a flush there. 580s, coming back down. If you guys do me a favor and smash the like button, we'll get 27 people, 12 likes, so help the YouTube algorithms up. If you guys are just tuning in, we are up $4,895 in the personal account. I made over 10,000 yesterday. Personal account. Puts me up right around 60,000, 61,000 for the year. Not too bad. You see it here. Pretty good. It's a good start to the month. We hit daily loss limit on these funded accounts here. We passed one of these Ulinox accounts, and we are working on a Tradeify account. And I don't have any other funded accounts. Oh, we're waiting on a $3,400 payout from Take Profit Trader from yesterday. See if they've taken that out yet. They have not. I can show you guys right there. Yesterday I made $5,105 on that 25K. So 3 contracts, trading 3 contracts. I did reset this account for $450, but then we got all that money back and then some. So all right, buddy. Thanks, Eric. Well, yeah, this is really coming down. The butt crack, yeah. Butt crack dealer. For sure. It's nice that Apex is doing that. It's just, you know, it's unfair. We want our 90% off codes too. Here's a shitty deal. The butt crack dealer, yeah, it was a shitty deal. Bump. Methodical coming over here with the dad jokes. Not so much a dad joke though. Teenage dad jokes. Someone has evals on discount for $1. No, it's not Apex. Must be a new company. I've heard someone was telling me that there's a bunch of new props that just kind of popped up, which they have been, but yeah, I don't know of any of the newer ones. I'm just sticking with Apex, Ulinox, Tradeify, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Top Step. You know, Those are the ones for now. Oh, Apex has 90% off, Sherry. For a little bit, so use code KAGE, KAGE, for 90% off Apex. If you guys, not my code, someone that's some other YouTuber, I guess, but I picked up a few myself because I like 90. KAGE, I'll put it right in the chat. Cage with a K. Hopefully you guys can get some cheap accounts. They're like 15 bucks. So, yeah, no problem. I wish it was code Pine, but it's only for about 30 minutes. Yeah, if you don't pass it, it's not recurring. Methodical said, so I'll pass or smash them in a day, so Methodical said, I believe it said 30% off after that. Yeah, the rebuild's only 30% off. So if you fail them, not financial advice, but what I'm gonna do is cancel them. Smash in Vegas, yeah. Smash or pass. Wow. Look at that bounce, guys. We're getting some volatility now. Headed up to that overnight high, 697s. I actually didn't drink that much in Vegas. Just a few drinks here and there. I'm not much of a drinker anyway. But I did use my free drink coupon on the plane. So I'm like, they're not getting away with that. So I did have a high noon seltzer. That's why I made so much on the plane. Trading. Actually, I had it after I was done trading. Wow, pushing up to 670s. This is a 100-point bounce. Off 570 there. Might be a good nine touch spot if we pull back. As you guys see, like the 9 and the 21, like really hasn't crossed that 50 at all today. It's been staying right above it. It's just pretty interesting to look at in hindsight, where we've been very bullish. I mean, we've had some pullbacks, but these EMAs have not crossed the 50 at all. Tweet about Tesla leaving Doge made Tesla rocket. Oh, Keegan, so that's what it was. Yeah, I knew it had to be something, some sort of headline. But that's just crazy that, yeah, Tesla tweets and things like that moves the market so much. Like, you gotta have brackets in, you really do. Because if you hopped in short, something technical right there, and then all of a sudden, boom, 100-point bounce. Like, if you go in with no stops, like on a funded account, Could be bad news bears there. Pushing up, 680s now, testing that overnight high, 697s. No setup for me. I was thinking about taking possibly the 9 touch here, but if we keep pushing too high above 700s and stuff, I don't know, I'd be a little hesitant. Thinking that the first pullback here might rip my face off. Yeah, here we go, testing that overnight high. Funny, I really like that entry right here at 10:10 on that 5-minute. We ended up getting in long and passing that eval there in one shot, but like I believe if you rewind, I was thinking like we take up these highs here and then we could like test the overnight high. Yeah, so didn't really capitalize on it for sure, but hey Vince, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you. Where you been? Hanging out with other streamers? Didn't want to chase long. Yeah, Vince, for sure. Yeah, this has been, we've hit DLL on a few accounts. We blew up an eval. Yeah. Been kind of crazy. It's what we like, though. We like this volatility. I do. But no real good setups. Like, my inside bars, not working today. Not very well. Little scalp. This one did not work at all. That was dirty, dirty, dirty. Look at that. Break above the initial balance high. Puts in this hammer here. Inside bar. Swept the high. And then yank, took everyone out. And then once it took everyone out, got bought right back up, and now it's running the highs. Making session highs right now. That is just nasty. Less talkie, more guitar player. Play. Yeah. A little rusty on that. That old beast back there. I was playing a little bit before went on vacation. No trade is better than the red trade, for sure. Let's look left. Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh. Lots of room to the upside. All these single prints down through here. At the 10:30 candle here at the bottom of the hour. About 2 minutes. See if we can hop in this bad boy long. Let's look for a pullback. No sense to try and fade this. Unless it's a little scalp or something, but perhaps back to the 680s. I hate that the new 30-minute candle's gonna open up, but very bullish. ES, same. NQ, YM. Wow. YM is just ripping. YM is ripping higher. We're long. It's gonna be a scalp. Push it. Took it off there. That new 30-minute candle here opening. See what happens. Took it off B&E. Yeah, 3 minutes left of the Apex. If you guys want to hop in a 90% off sale, 90% off Apex, use code KAG. I don't mind helping my peeps out. Appreciate Amelia bringing it to our attention. So KAG for 90% off discount just for a few more minutes. Might even be done. I don't know. Hey Wayne, what's going on? No trade is better than a red trade. Yeah, for sure. But, you know what? Sometimes you gotta take some trades, even if they're red, you know, to make some money. But I'm with you. It's best to be patient. Try to hop in along off this 9 touch. Just looking for a continuation on this trend. Let's see eval only. Give it to me. Alright, we're tagged in there. You see, we didn't take any drawdown on that. Alright, taking it off there. That was a 15-point bounce off the 9, like, with 0 drawdown. 0 drawdown. Alfred, what's going on, buddy? Making up some early losses, Wayne, yeah. Alright, guys, the Apex flash sale is done, apparently. Trading Star, thank you very much. I wish you guys can go back to using code PINE. Like Alfred said, use code PINE. Yep, it's expired now, so. So yeah, so up 104 now on this. We were down quite a bit. We got back about 15 points on that trade there. Pass this Bulenox here. Hit daily loss limit on the funded here. Taking a $3,400 payout on Take Profit Trader. and up $4,895 on the personal account today. So, and we just bought a bunch of Apex accounts because they ran a flash 90% off sale. So that's where we're at. And currently, yeah, we're up on this Tradeify account just by $100. If you guys are interested in Tradeify, gotta use my link, and the default code, which is SPRING, SPRING. Yeah, we're green where it matters, Steven. We're green where it matters. But the market, we got some good movement here, so not quite done yet. Nice inside bar there. Do we just get continuation to the upside? Try it. Stop below it. Feels a little trappy. Feels a little trappy. See if we can hold the bottom there. That was ugly. Trying to go for more of a breakout trade. We'll see what happens. See if we run. Ooh, getting bought right up there like that. See if we can take out the highs here at 714. Stomach is growling. I don't feel like 714 is gonna hold, do you? Famous last words. Hopefully I don't take too much heat. Yeah, we are long. Do it for the stream. Sorry guys, I'll get back in the chat in just a minute. I'm just trying to focus on this. I'm in on my personal account too, so. I have a little better entry on my personal. 692 on the personal. Love to see it break that high. I think we really pop. 714s. We really pop. Struggling though. Flat, my personal right now. Flat. Made a little bit. Yeah, that's the pullback. Yeah, that double top right there. Nasty wick action going. See if that 682 holds, but not looking good. I think we sweep it. Yeah, there it goes. So yeah, that was a little nasty. So I made a little bit on the personal, up to 5,410. But I ended up getting a little bit of entry, 692 on the personal, but then and then I ended up closing it out. So yeah, a little hit there, 756. We were in 2 contracts, and then look, just swept it and just keeps pushing. So all right, let me get back to the chat there. Save some drawdown for Trump at 4 p.m. Yes, Alfred. Save some bullets, guys. Did I try any buffet at Vegas? No, I did not try any buffet. That's why I gotta go back at some point. Snagged a 50K on that sale. Oh yeah, no problem. Complex DNA. Yeah. Guys missed it. There was a flash sale, so 690 should hold. 680s. Hello, Anna. Welcome back. Where you been, Anna? Hanging out with other streamers? I did. I bought, how many did I buy? 8. I bought 8 off 90%. Very wiki, guys. This is pretty dangerous stuff. This was nasty down here earlier. Jay, what's happening? Green where it matters, Jay. Yeah, 5,400 on the personal. Red on these 3 Buellnox funded accounts, and past a Buellnox account eval. Working on this Tradeify here, it's not going well, and took a $3,400 payout on Take Profit Trader. So yeah, not bad. take it. Paid for Vegas. That's an amazing thing that I can't ever get over. Is like sometimes like I tweeted about it today. If you guys haven't followed me on X, like give me a follow. Appreciate it. Pine Tree Trader. Right here. But yeah, I made a tweet about this like today. It's just the fact that I can work in a 5-star hotel suite in Vegas or 30,000 feet in the air trading is pretty awesome. And I did it on a cheap Chromebook. Cheap Chromebook. And you see I made $10,185 on the personal account while 30,000 feet in the air. So pretty awesome. So if you guys want to give me a follow on X, Pine Tree Trader, appreciate it. And also if you guys want to join the Discord, it's right pinned up in the chat there. It's completely free. So because it was a weekday, Vince, it was, what did it cost me? It wasn't that bad. You know, I'll tell you exactly. I don't want to misquote you. The weekend stays, I stayed at Resort World, which was a pretty nice hotel. I'm not gonna complain. The Wynn and the Encore was much better as far as the hotel room, but I did not mind staying at Resort World. It was the Hilton, I guess. So that one was $300 a night, $350 a night, which is actually not bad. I think it was about $350 a night, because you can't even stay in Augusta, Maine, for like $300 a night. So yeah, that was the Wynn. Well, it was the Encore, the Wynn Encore. And it was a panoramic view suite. Really an awesome view. I'll post some pictures in the Discord in a little while, I think. I'll show you the pimpish. That's why they call it Pimp Tree Trader. Yeah, Alfred. That's Alfred's name for me, Pimp Tree Trader. Show you a picture I sent to my dad. Let's see. Yeah, I'll show you my room. With that. Check it out right here. This little video here I made. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. Yeah, exactly, Vince. Yeah, so during the weekdays and stuff, you can get like super good deals on the weekdays. No bunny ranch. No full-time trader, no bunny ranch. Oh, it was in the summer, yeah. So the weather was pretty good. I mean, 75 during the day, usually 77. Cooled down at night, but a little breezy, but I was never cold outside. I was never cold. Do we hold the initial balance high? What a pullback there, about 100 points from the highs. Just as I said, do we hold 714s? It says, maybe not. Take a stab long here. Stop below the initial balance high. On this eval, there's not much wiggle room for drawdown here. Might not be a great entry, but I did put the stop where I think we could be completely wrong. So we'll see if we hold the IBH. Thanks, Trading Star. Yeah, I've been trading very well on it. I don't really know why. Alright, so we are getting that pullback. It is the bounce. Probably should have just waited for that bounce, huh? Nope, breaking right through. Alright, we would have just taken everything back. We're headed right back down to the 600 range. This eval is about ready to hit daily loss limit, which is fine. Kind of a crazy market. Wow, look at that, guys. Jeez. Oh boy. I don't know, guys. I think I'm gonna call it there. I have a lot of unpacking to do and laundry and all kinds of stuff. I haven't really got a chance. When I got home last night, I got off the plane. I got a ride back home, and I hopped right on stream. And then after I got done stream, I pretty much just went right to bed. So I still got some stuff I gotta do, and I will see you guys tonight though at 6 p.m. Use code PINE, Apex, and Bulanox. And Tradeify, if you guys using that, use my link, and then code SPRING and My Funded Futures MM. And if you guys are using Take Profit Trader, you can use code all caps Terry Trades 100. My friend there. So you guys are still using that. Still no activation fee, I believe, on Take Profit Trader. Terry Trades 100. So yeah, so I got some bunch of chores I gotta do today. Guess what? My car is still at another airport, so I gotta go pick up my car. Because I flew out of one airport, a small little tiny airport, and landed in a bigger airport, and had my father pick me up. So I still gotta go get my car if it's even still there. Because I don't even know if I was supposed to park there, but whatever. It is what it is. So anyways, guys, I got some things I gotta do, and trade safe the rest of the day. Save some bullets for this afternoon with the Trump tariff talks. Stuff could get wild, even more wild than what it already is. So, see you guys tonight at 6 for Turtle Markets. Peace out, guys.